Hello and welcome everyone. I'm back with a new video and today I'll be sharing DIY mobile stand. So for this you'll need masking tape, Fevicol glue and 12 small wooden pieces. I got this from my old game. You can also use Jengas. Now follow the steps to make a perfect stand. So here it is, we have a mobile stand ready. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel if you haven't done it till yet. Till then, take care, goodbye, happy crafting.